This video introduces Design Room Live. Design Room Live is a web application that provides an online virtual room. With Design Room Live, working on designs is dynamic and fast. It saves time by having all team members in the same virtual room in real time. Ease of use. The application is a UML model that is web browser based and requires little to no technical education or knowledge. The application includes fewer user interface elements and maximizes drawing space in the whiteboard. Real-time collaboration. By using the application, teams can remain in sync, brainstorm effectively, and get instant feedback. Convenience. You can design and collaborate anytime from any part of the world. Communication. Invite teams to showcase their whiteboards with designs and ideas. The application provides dynamic design tools, quick feedback, reviews, and suggestions. Confidence. Changes are live, dynamic, and real-time. Moreover, changes persist continuously. Saving is not required. The administrator creates users and authorizes them to access the server that hosts the application. The whiteboard design space is located at the center of the interface. Use this area to create and share your designs. The whiteboard overview shows all available whiteboards. The Palette Explorer contains the sketch, UML, process, and deployment shapes, which can be used to create models and diagrams. Models provide an abstract view of the system, while diagrams provide concrete representations of the system. Sketches contain basic diagram shapes, such as rectangles, circles, and so on. You can use any shape that your design requires. A UML diagram provides a visual representation of an aspect of a system, such as relationships, behavior, structure, or functionality. For example, a class diagram describes the structure of the system or the details of an implementation, while a sequence diagram shows the interaction between objects over time. Process diagrams graphically represent internal business processes. Deployment shapes can be used to visually represent how your application and its components are deployed. Design Room Live whiteboards are freeform. You can mix elements from the class, sketch, process stencils, and so on the same whiteboard without restrictions. The model search view is below the whiteboard, where you can enter the element to search for. The list of elements that matches your search text is displayed. You can view details such as the label name, type, the number of instances, and so on. Minimize the search window when it's not in use. The user's view is located on the far right side of the interface. This view displays the users who are currently logged in. Other users who can access the application but who are not active are also displayed. The zooming and panning window is located below the user's view. Use the small rectangular handle to pan across the whiteboard. You can also zoom in and out by using the plus and minus icons. With the presentation feature, you can invite team members for real-time collaborative design sessions or for presentations. After you accept an invitation, you can view a live presentation of a whiteboard and participate in designing. Changes that you make to whiteboards while you are logged in are instantly applied and can be viewed by other available users. With this real-time collaboration, all users can use and view the design elements on the whiteboards in real time, regardless of which users created them. Users can be assigned to any semantic element on the whiteboard. Drag and drop the user to the whiteboard and then use the Halo menu to link the element to the user. The elements that you create with many drawing tools are standalone and have no semantic relationship to each other. For example, in PowerPoint, you create and copy shapes for reuse in PowerPoint. If you change the attributes of a shape, the attributes of copies of the shape are not updated to conform to your change. However, in Design Room Live, when you change a shape's attributes, all copies of the shape across all whiteboards are automatically updated with the change. This concludes the introductory demonstration of Design Room Live. Please visit the product documentation sites for more information.